What's up, guys? I don't even know what's happening right now. My hair is insane. I have a lot of explaining to do. I feel like my hair has been fading, which I've just been kind of letting it. I did color my roots red, which turned out like a dark red. They were growing out brown, so I dyed them red, so it's like a dark red, and then I just kind of let the rest fade. So that is where I'm at right now. I did decide that I wanted my bangs to be like blonde. I don't know why. So I had dyed my bangs or bleached them twice, and then I didn't like it. So I'm like, you know what, I'll put some red right here and kind of make it like ombre. Well, it doesn't look good. My hair is like all kinds of crazy right now. So I'm going to dye it. The roots won't change because it's dark. And then some of this other hair color is dark, so it's not gonna really do much. It's mainly gonna color like the rest of this blonde and then all of this just faded stuff. So it's going to have a few different colors going on, which is fine. I'm okay with that. I just can't handle this anymore. This does not look good. So I'm gonna mix two different colors. I'm gonna mix Permanent, which is Palm Gel color. This is Red 44. It's color XG. So I think I'm gonna do like half of this to half semi-permanent, which this one is Goldwell Illumin Play, and this one I think is just also red. This one is semi-permanent. You know, I'm doing semi and permanent just because I don't want to go in straight away with permanent, only because it damages my hair. I want to do like half and half and see if that maybe damages it a little bit less. And I'm going to be doing 10 volume. Again, I'm not doing anything but depositing color. I'm not trying to lighten or anything, so I only need 10 volume. I don't need 20 or 30. So yeah, let me mix this. I'm just going to do half and half and then add the developer, and I'll be right back. Here's half permanent, half semi-permanent. I'm done mixing. I am going to go ahead and put this in my hair. It turned out a little bit runnier than I would have liked, but that's okay. So here is what it looks like. I'm not going to do sections or anything, which I know I should, but I'm not going to. I'm literally just going to kind of plop it all over in my hair and then let it sit for like the 25 minutes or whatever. So let me do that and I'll speed this up for you guys. I do want to tell you guys, I'm not worried about the roots just because they're dark. They're not actually going to change much. So I'm literally just going to be focusing on the end. So if you're wondering like why I'm missing the roots everywhere, that's why. I'm only doing this part right here because I had bleached that, so.
Continuing.
I'm all done. I have it pretty much through the whole thing. Gonna let it sit for about 25 minutes, rinse it out, and I'll be right back.
What's up, guys? Here's the final do.
That was stupid, sorry, my bad. Maybe I should style it and come back. This is just after straightening it, blow drying it, whatever. So yeah, it turned out pretty damn good. The roots are a little bit darker, like I knew they would be, other than the front, of course.
And she back, bitch.
Let me style it and then I'll show you guys another look with it.
BRB probably tomorrow.
Here you have it, you guys. Gave it a quick spin through the curling iron. I don't know why I put purple lipstick on. It's not like it actually goes with the look, but I was just kind of feeling it. Anyways, yes, here is the final result. My hair is red again. I love it. Tell me down below what you guys think. If you have any videos that you guys want to see on my channel, and I will see you in the next video.